Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve wearing that skirt.
Here is the wig with no makeup on. Y'all, you do not need makeup on to lay and slay a wig. I just want that to be very clear. As you can see, I'm barefaced in all my natural glory, and I'm still slaying the wig. This wig is a little bit too big for your girl, so I did have to wear my wig grip, and the parting space is lifting just a smidget. So I am gonna go in and lay that down with some freeze spray. I'm just gonna spray a dab right here in the center. One more. You see that? It's laying flatter. So my foundation isn't the flattest, but we still gonna serve scalp, okay? Y'all, I love this wig. I haven't had no issues with it since styling. See how flat it looks? I'm gonna put my scarf on and let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and flatten it some more. And y'all, I'm really loving this look. If you are ever in Hawaii and you just happen to run into me, you are not gonna see me all beat down to the gauze. You was gonna see me like this, all right, with a wig, making sure I'm serving scalp, and you're gonna see my chocolatey skin without no makeup.
One eternity later.
The scarf is ready to come off. It's been sitting for like 30 minutes, y'all. All right, as you can see, it's laying a lot flatter, and that's what we want for a sleek, natural, flat install.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
It is a bit light up here around the parting space. I think that's the crust from the spray. It sure is. But to get rid of that shine, you can scrape it off, or you can just dab on some pressed powder. I use the Black Radiance medium to dark palette. I got it from Walmart. It was like $9 and some change. And just darken that right on up. Let it get away that shine. And there you go.
Sometimes we'll cherish, baby, that no comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? If you are watching this video, we have made it to 2021. Yes, I don't know about you, but that is a reason to celebrate. overall, 2020 has been a rough year, y'all, for all of us. Some harder than others. And I just want to thank God that I'm here, I'm alive, I'm healthy. I'm just ready for what 2021 has to offer. If 2020 didn't teach me anything else, it taught me to be thankful, to show grace, because you never know what people are going through. You never know what battles people are dealing with at all. We're not focusing on negativity. We're not focusing on people who don't love us, don't support us. We're focusing on the people that are in your life now. Yes, God is good. I'm just so happy to be here, y'all. 2020 was an up and down roller coaster for my channel. You know, it was hard for us YouTubers because, you know, companies had slowed down due to COVID, and I'm thinking, oh, how I'm gonna make my money? But God still provide. Yes, because I am blessed and highly favored. Yes, so I just want to say Happy New Year, happy New Year. Hey, that could be a song. Before I begin my extra read all about it, I would like to send a big thank you to Sunber Hair for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well as to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. Yo, I love this wig. I love this wig. I do. And I told you, I love my wigs to be for himself. This wig is popping. Okay? Nothing negative to say. Nothing at all. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. All right, so the wig that I'm wearing today is their 4x4 lace closure wig. It is in body wave, but we would have hit it straight and that baby on out. I believe I have it in 24 inches, 150% density. It does come in a natural color. The starting price for this unit is $131.28. The price for my unit is $304.13. Now, wait a minute, okay? You determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to teach you how to lay and slay these wigs, baby. They did give me several coupon codes, so make sure you check them out down below if you decide to purchase from their website. I highly recommend. This is my first time working with this company, yo, and here's everything. Like, do y'all see me? Do y'all see me? I'm showing off 2021 and beyond, okay? Like, I'm showing off like Roland Bray say. The styling of this wig was a little bit different. I did not go in and shampoo and deep condition this hair. This wig was styled fresh out the box, y'all, and I'm not disappointed. This wig did not come with a funky smell at all. It wasn't dirty. I ain't find no nasty little pest up in there. And I'm just really satisfied with it. And the hair is just all lat in a bag of chips with a side of French onion dip. I did receive minor tangling and shedding, but nothing crazy worth getting mad about. I did go ahead and cut out the fake scalp because y'all know I'm too chocolate for that fake scalp. Do y'all see all this chocolate? Do you see me? Because I know you see it. But no complaints, nothing negative to say at all. I wouldn't say that the fake scalp is a con because it might work for somebody. It just doesn't work for me. As y'all saw in the styling portion of the video, I did talk a little bit. Let me know. Drop a comment down below. Do you like when I don't talk, or do you like when I talk a little bit? Because I'm here for you guys. I want to be as informative as I can so y'all can serve scalp just like me. Because trust me, I wasn't always serving scalp like this. Practice definitely makes perfect. Okay, so if I can do it, I know you can. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. I love this wig. Y'all saw from out the box till now, this wig is everything. If you're not following me on Instagram already at Shanise Nicole _, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that follow button and join the family. We have a good time over there. You know, I cut up, y'all. I cut up a lot. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. All positive vibes going into 2021. No negativity. And of course, we're gonna have our bad days. You know what I'm saying? Because I cuss people out too. Don't get it twisted. Don't let this singing, this smile, this laughing, don't let it fool you. I know how to get rowdy. All right? No, if you book, boy. Yes, because I come in the club, shaking my dress, throwing these bowls and busting these heads. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Sunber Hair. I apologize if I said that wrong. Y'all know I say everything wrong all the time. Like, It's nothing. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and sending me this banging unit. Shout out to you guys for supporting the kid through 2020. I cannot say that enough. I cannot say it. I cannot say thank you enough, but I just truly appreciate y'all. But do y'all see me? Come on now. Do y'all see me? Catch this sleigh all day, every day. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I didn't pay money for this. I'm trying to have Happy New Year with my subscribers. What the? Look like I got antlers. I ain't Rudolph. But y'all, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yes. Meet me in the trap. It's going down. Meet me in the club. It's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed it go down. Meet me. I'm out of breath, but thank y'all for coming on this journey with me. I love y'all so much, and I'm out.